First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Alexander. I am Stripo support manager. Today we will have just overall webinar. We will take a look on basic preferences of Stripo account. We will try to use basic tools to create emails. I would like to say a couple of words about our company. Our company registered in the USA, but the whole our team located in Ukraine. We always open to different suggestions, so if you have any proposals how we can improve our editor, please write to us by this chat or by our email. Let me add the email to the chat. support@stripo.email. Also, if any questions will appear during the webinar, please write in this chat and we will try to answer you. Today, the member of our team, Marina, will help me. And if it will necessary, I will also try to answer your questions. So let's move on. Right after login, you will get to this menu of your account. And I propose to begin from preferences of your account. To get there, you should click by this icon in the right top corner of your screen and choose Show Profile tab. In this tab, you can set your name, your first name. You can always change your registration email. You can change the language of your account. And you can change your password here. In my organization menu, you can see general condition of your account. So it's like a big dashboard. You can see how much emails and templates have been created in your account. You can see general condition of your prepaid features if you're going to use them. To buy this feature, you should engage the corresponding controls here. You can please be advised that by default for all accounts activated auto saving feature. Also, you can always save your emails manually. I will show you how you can do it later. Also, would like to pay your attention that all images that you will upload to our editor will be uploaded to Stripo storage. In the case if you would like to use other options, we have 3 options. You can configure your own Amazon storage, you can configure Microsoft Azure storage, or you can configure your own storage using your server. In the users menu, you can invite other users. In the case if you're going to use agency price plan or extra users feature, you will be able to invite other users that will be able to create, edit, move, remove templates in your account. Here you can designate different roles for them. The description of these roles you can find here if you click by this link, roles descriptions, and you can see which rights will have these users. In the project menu of your account, you can configure general preferences that can simplify the process of email creation. So you can set the logo of your company, the name of your project that you will see here. You can set social networks here, and in edit mode, all newly created blocks will, social media blocks, will be created correspondingly to these preferences. Also, you can configure the necessary merge text for you. So in the case if you're going to use for sendings, campaign monitor, get response, MailChimp, or other services that exist in this list, you can engage just the corresponding control, or in a case if you're going to use other services, you can use custom text and you can add this text here. After that, this text will accessible you in edit mode. You will able to find them here. Sorry, for any text block, you can use this top settings panel, and you can choose and find them here. Special links work the same way, so in a case if you would like to use one of pre-built options, you can use them, or in a case if you're going to use other services, you can use custom links. And when you will create your links, for that you should highlight the text and change and involve change link button. You will be able to choose these options here. Font management. Here you can activate or deactivate different fonts. In a case if you're not going to use all these fonts, you can just turn these controls off. And in a case if you would like to use your custom font, you can use the corresponding button. Okay, what also I would like to pay your attention. So I'm not going to dive deep in all preferences of Stripe account. Today we will discuss just very basic preferences that you can use to create emails. In case if you have any specific questions, please don't hesitate, write to us and we will try to answer them. In the billing menu, you can see general condition of your subscriptions if you use them. If in a case if you use prepaid price plan that you can find here, you can find their description. You can upgrade your account or downgrade in this menu, and you will see your previous payments in a case if you would like to download bills via this button. So you will see them this way, and you can anytime cancel your subscription here if you click by trash bin icon that will appear after you will subscribe to our service. Okay, I believe this is it about general preference of Stripe account, and I propose to move to the other section. Let me check if we have some questions and answer it. Okay, I was said that we have unanswered questions about Outlook. I need to know today how to send this out via Outlook in a mass email. Okay, let me try to answer your question. So after the email that you're going to send will ready, you can click the export green button in edit mode, and you will see a couple of options for Outlook. So in a case if you use desktop Outlook application, you should use this option. And in a case if you're going to use Outlook on Windows system, you should choose this option. In a case if you use macOS, you should choose this option. After you click by this icon, this file will be downloaded, and you will be able to use this file in your Outlook application. For that, you should just double click by this file, and this file automatically will be open via Outlook. In the case if you use Outlook Web, you should choose this option, and after export you will be able to find your file in drafts folder of your Outlook. After file or the email that will be exported to your Outlook will get there, you will need just add the necessary email boxes, your recipients, and send this email. So I think, and I hope I answered your question. Now let me check if we have other questions. Okay, Marina says that she will try to answer, and we can move on. Okay. In general menu of your account, you can of course create your emails and templates. You have two sections, please pay attention, emails and templates. This way you can separate them, especially it's useful for organizations that invite other users to an account and that would like to set for them different roles. In this case, you can limit the access of users that you will invite to your account to templates section. To create new emails and templates, you can use one of the next options. So you can create new email using your previously created templates. You can use one of basic templates, or you can use prepared templates. So at the moment we have almost 400 of them. So you can use their design entirely, or you can just partially change different elements. You can change images, text, etc. to create similar design. So today I'm going to use just an empty template, or maybe let me check. Something okay. Or we can use training template to take a look how works basic tools of Stripo editor. Also, in the main menu of your account, I would like to pay your attention that you can move to our YouTube channel, where you can find a lot of useful videos about export to different services, about using different tools of our editor, etc. Also, we have a blog where you can also find different articles about different topics. So, for example, if you would like to find something about fonts, you can use search and try to find the necessary articles. What else? Via the release notes link, you can move to the corresponding section of our site, and you can see all our releases that we released previously. You can see all changes that have been applied to our editor. Also, in case if you would like to create a lot of emails, you can create new folders and move emails and templates to these folders. To arrange a structure of your emails and templates, you can use search. In a case if you will have a lot of emails, it can be useful. And you can use these preferences to simplify the process of search and email. And these features, I think all these preferences, it goes without saying, so I'm not going to dive deep in all these details. In the help center section, you also can find different articles of how you can, for example, export. You can find articles about frequently asked questions about billing section, plugin questions, editor, etc. So you can look through all the section if you are looking for quick support. Okay. I reckon that now we can move to the next section, and let me say a couple of words about general structure of Stripo emails. So we create our emails and templates via CSS and HTML code. You can see code of each email via this button, code editor. Here you can see HTML and CSS sections, and if you want, you can apply different changes to this code. You can create own classes, you can change different paddings, fonts, etc. via code editor, and you will see how it will display on your email. At the top of HTML hierarchy of each email within Stripo, locate stripes. So you can have unlimited number of stripes within an email. To create a new stripe and add it to an email, you can use this button. Each stripe has one of 4 types: header, content, footer, info area, that you can find and designate here. To each stripe you can add unlimited number of structures. To add them, you should move to the corresponding section and just drag and drop the structure to a stripe. Each structure can has up to 8 containers. To add new containers, you should use this button here. And to remove these containers, you should click by this trash bin icon nearby each name of the container. To each container you can add unlimited number of blocks, images, text, so all these blocks you can add to a structure, and this way via drag and drop. Each element of an email you can hide for mobile and desktop version, and this way you can create different designs for mobile and desktop recipients. Let me show you. So I hide the first stripe for mobile and the second one for desktop version, and as you can see we have different design in the preview mode. Also, I would like to bring your attention that for containers, structures, and stripes, you can use slide aside menu. You can move different elements of an email this way. You can copy them and you can remove them. So let me make it beautiful again. Containers, structures, and stripes you can save to models. So, for example, if we would like to use the structure a lot of times, we can save it via this button to our models, give it a name, and after that we can also drag and drop the stripe within different emails in a frame of a project. So you can see we can use this stripe a lot of times. Okay, I hope I said enough about general structure of Stripo emails, and now we can move to the appearance menu that we can find here. We always recommend use this email at the beginning of email creation. Here you can set email width for the whole email. You can set paddings for new structures. You can set background image for the whole email. So for example, we can set this image here, and we will see this image in a whole our email. Okay, in the Stripes submenu, you can configure preferences for each type of a stripe. You can set text size, you can change font colors for them. In the heading menu, you can configure font sizes and some other preferences for headings of your text. To create headings, you should highlight the necessary text and use this top settings panel to choose one of these options. For the button, I would like to pay your attention that by default, all buttons in your email don't use highlight hovered effect. So if you would like to use this effect, you should engage this control, and you can change, for example, these preferences to make your button to make your button change color when a recipient will hover a mouse over this button. Also, if you're going to use Outlook for sending, or if a lot of your users use Outlook, we always recommend to engage this control, because this control can help and can improve the general layout of your buttons within this service. So please use this button. Mobile view menu. This menu is the only one menu in edit mode that you can use to configure a mobile view of your email. So let me show you. For example, we have heading 1 here with 30 pixels size for desktop version, but if we want, we can set other preferences for this account, for this text, and we will have different result for mobile versions this way. So you can see the text got smaller. So the same way it will work for stripes, header content, footer, info area, for menu block size, for button text size, etc. So you can configure font sizes for mobile version. In the content menu, sorry, let me check if we have unanswered questions. Okay, I get an answer that all questions have been answered. So I can continue. At the moment, we have 13 blocks within our editor. To add them, as I said previously, you can use drag and drop feature and just drop them to the necessary place. And let's discuss each of them one by one. Via the image block, you can, of course, upload images to an email. You can upload images from your PC this way. You can upload them as an external link if you add a link here. Here you can see images that have been previously uploaded to this email already. In a case if you will upload images not to the email section but to the project section, these images will be accessible in a frame of your project. So in a case if you're going to use images in different emails, please use this section. In the common and stock section, you can find emails that we added to our editor, and within the stock section, you can get access to internet bank of images, and you can use different requests to find appropriate emails. Okay, let's add an image. To each image you can set own link to make it clickable. You can use edit image button to move to our built-in editor of images, and you can change different elements here. You can add, you can draw, you can add the text over an image, etc. Okay, something happened with cache of my browser. Here you can configure a rollover effect within these preferences. You can align this image, you can change size. Okay, let me renew the cache of my browser. I hope this time everything will work fine. So you can please look through all these preferences to know more about their work. You can use paddings for desktop and mobile version. You can use mobile version button to configure different paddings. So by default you can use this option, or if you would like to use mobile paddings, you can use these preferences here. Okay, let's move on. The text block. The text block actually has almost the same preferences, so alignment, line spacing. I think it's self-understood. About the top settings panel, also I would like to say that here you can change font for this for text in this block. For that you should highlight the text and use these preferences. You can change font sizes, you can set this font as a bold, as italic, etc. What else important to note? As I showed previously, you can use this button to create links. You can use this drop-down menu to add a merge tag, and also you can create a table via these preferences. So you can set the necessary size for this table, and after that you can just add the necessary content to a table. The button section block, sorry. Okay, I believe that something happened with my browser again. Button. So for the button, it's actually like a link that created within a container. So you can set the name of this button here. You can change different preferences. Also, I would like to pay your attention that for each button you can set an image. So you can use just a button with a text, or you can use a button with an image within. So let me show you. And you can use different preferences for this image as well. Also, of course, you can set borders for this button this way, or you can set all these borders for all sites at the same time. Also, of course, you can configure this here internal and external paddings this way. So let's move to the next block, the spacer block. This block can be useful in a case if you would like to create a line. So you can create a line this way as element of a design. And also this block very useful in a case if you would like to vertical align different elements of an email. Let me show how it will work. So if we would like to align this block by the button, the container from the right, we can set this spacer as a dynamic and stretch up to the necessary size this way. Okay. The video block can be used just to upload videos to your email. For that you should just add a link to YouTube, Vimeo or VK service here. You can set also different preferences, the general view of the play button, etc. So all these preferences similar to preferences of other blocks. So I think we can move through them very quickly. Via the social media block, let me find if we have, no, we haven't a social media block within this email. So we can add this block anywhere where we would like to see it, and we can configure via that icon button. We can configure our list of social medias. So let's say we would like to add a Google Play icon and we would like to remove Instagram and YouTube. We can do it this way. Here you can designate the necessary link, so you can change the general layout of button. You can use different designs that built in by our designers. So this is just for a black background. Let me get another design, so we can use gray, black designs, etc. colors. In the case if you would like to use your custom icons, you can use this first option, and you can upload own images for the social medias. The banner block can be useful in the case if you would like to add an image with a text over it. So let me show you. So we can add our image, and to add the text over it, we should click by this button at the top of your screen and add here a text. After we will shift the focus of our mouse to other elements, our editor will generate the banner block and will add the screenshot of this text with a text, sorry, with the image and a text over it to this block. Okay, the timer block allows to add a countdown timer to your email. This block can be useful for different marketed purposes, to let your recipients know how much time left till the moment when the some event will be ended. Via the menu block, you can create a few links in one row. Let me check if we have something similar in this email? No, we haven't. So let me show you. In case if you're going to create a few links in one row, for example, section about us, contacts, etc. Let's say a section about your site or about your store. You can set your own links here. You can change different preferences for them, colors of them, and designate them here. Via the HTML block, you can create your own custom design in case if you haven't found the necessary block for your design. You can use this block, just add it to the necessary area, and if you click by this block, our code editor will be opened, and you will be able to add your code, your own code here. Okay, the next three blocks not similar to other blocks. These blocks are blocks. Please be advised that not all possible email services supports these blocks. So let me check and show you. Okay, I think I haven't the necessary link nearby at the moment to show you, but most of email services still not support these elements. In case if you're going to use different services, different email platforms, email service providers for sending, please pay attention on this icon at the top right corner of general icon of email service. This icon says for us that if the service supports AMP elements, because for example, if you're going to use MailChimp or Gmail for sending, you won't see these elements within your emails in your inbox. So let me show how these blocks work. The carousel block can be useful in a case if you would like to create slider with images. So you can upload different images to this block. So let me add a couple more images to show you. And your recipients will able to slide these images via these icons or via this bottom menu here. As you can see, right after we added this block, we can see two versions of your email in the preview mode. So for email services and email clients that don't support AMP emails, your recipients will see just this version, as you can see, without our slider. And for email services and email clients that support this feature, the email will look another way. The Accordion block allows you to create drop-down menu, drop-down section with drop-down elements. So let me show you. If we add, let's say, an image, if we add a couple more sections, for example, with the text, and let's say a button, our recipients will be able to click by these sections to deploy all these elements at their site. this way. Okay, and the last section is a form section. Can be useful in a case if you would like to get a feedback from your customers, your clients. You can add here so to get answers from your recipients, you should use a service that will handle the request of recipients. For that, you can use our bulletin service data that you can find here in the general menu of your account. So I have already created this service, and now I can just choose it. And also you can add your own link to your own service that will handle this request. And after that, you should add different elements. So, for example, here we can put, let's say, a proposal for our recipient to put here own answer. Please, okay, in your answer here, for example. And let me show you. So recipients will see this form this way, and they will able put here on answers and send them to you. After the answer will be sent, and if in the case if you use our bulletin service, you will able to download the spreadsheet with these answers here via this button, download CSV. Okay, I hope this is it about the blocks. Let me check if we have any questions and answer it. Okay, I think we can move on. Modules. As we've seen previously, we can use some modules to simplify the process of creation similar elements. So we can save to modules containers, structures, and stripes. And after that, we can we can drag and drop these elements to the necessary area of an email. Also, except the My Modules tab, you can use two other tabs that have been created by our designers, and you can find different modules that also have been created by our designers. To simplify the process of email creation, you can just use them to create quick and easy create a footer for your email or header or different elements. Okay, about the top settings of an email. Here you can use this button to return back to your account. You can choose placement of site settings panel here. You can rename your email or template. You can save your email manually. You can save your email as a new one, and this way you can have the current version of your email and you can have a new one. You can use this green button to export your email to different email services. In the case if you haven't found the necessary export, you can try to export your emails and templates as HTML file. Open this file any text editor and copy paste this file the code out of this file to any service that supports such the way of code import. Via undo and redo button, you can of course undo and redo the last changes. Via the history of changes button, you can find previous versions of your email, and you can restore previous versions. So let me show you, for example, if you would like to restore one of previous version, we can use this feature. Via the settings button, we can set subject of our email, we can set hide and preheader, and in a case if you would like to use Google promo annotations feature or UTM parameters, you can engage these controls and set the necessary preferences here. More details you can find about this feature you can find by the corresponding links, custom campaigns and Google promo. In the preview mode, of course, you can see how you can use your emails. Via the test button, you can send your email. So before export, you can take a look how your email will look within a real email service. So you can use this button and put here your email box and click by the send button here to do so. And also you can use our prepaid feature run email test that I said about previously, that you can find in the organization menu of your account here. Via this drop-down menu, you can move to different projects. This option, please be advised, is that this option accessible only for agency price plans, because for the business and free price plan, you will have just one project. And via this button, as we have seen previously, we can move to preferences of our account. Also, in edit mode, I would like to bring your attention that we can use this three dots option to copy, move, or delete emails and templates. Via the view feature, we can get this link to share this link with our customers, colleagues, coworkers, to show them how your email will look like before export out of our editor. So please use this option if it's necessary. If you're interested, I also would like to say a couple of words about our price plans. So we have 3 price plans at the moment. You can pay for them via you can pay for them monthly or annually. For that, you should engage these tabs here. Please be advised that if you will use annually option, you can save 20%. Main difference between price plans, it's a number of exports. So for the free price plan, you will have just 4 exports monthly. For the business and for the agency, you will have 300 and unlimited number of exports correspondingly. Also, as I said previously, to the agency, you can invite other users that will have access to your account and will able to do and apply different changes to emails with you. And other details you can find here. Please check this section if it's necessary. Okay, I believe this is it about general preferences and about work of our general features. So if you have any questions, please let us know. I will wait for your requests. Okay, I see that we have one question unanswered. Are you considering doing free accounts for educations? So please write to us by email. So, sorry, let me put it right. Please use this support@Stripo email to write us. The short answer on your question, yes, we have such the option for non-profit organizations. So if you're a non-profit organization, please write to us and we will propose you special conditions to use our service. I see a question in Russian, so I can answer your question in Russian, but please be advised that today we have a webinar in English, so I think my answer won't interesting for other our viewers, so I will try to answer in English. So in English, your question should sound like how can I create a button for unsubscribing? So please be advised that each email service use own unsubscribe link. So let me show you. In the project, you can configure such the link. So for example, if I would like to use campaign monitor for sending, and I would like to create an unsubscribe link or button, so let's create a button. Here I should unsubscribe. Here I should put the necessary text, and to add a link I can use one of our built-in option for campaign monitor unsubscribe. In the case if you're going to use other services, you should specify the necessary link there, and after that you should just add this link here. For example, this link can have like this format. So this is just an example. The real format you should specify in your email service. I hope I answered your question. So I don't see any other questions at the moment, so I will wait a couple of minutes more. So please let me know if you have any questions or if they appeared. Okay, so you're welcome, Kaur. So thank you very much, everyone that visited us today. If you're interested, you can find the record of this webinar at our channel. You know how you can find our channel, and we're going to do more webinars in the nearest future. So you know how you can find it and how follow us. Thank you very much. Have a good day, morning, evening. Bye. See you soon.